In a quiet village surrounded by rolling hills and rice fields, there was a pond, calm, clear, and deep. The villagers called it Shanti Tal, the pond of peace. It was a place where children played, elders gathered to talk, and fishermen cast their nets at dawn. One morning, a young girl named Meera stood by the pond's edge, holding a small pebble in her hand. Meera was known for her bright eyes and quiet determination. She had dreams not reached far beyond the narrow paths of her village. Meera's grandmother had often told her, a single pebble can change the pond's surface, but its ripples reach far and wide. So can one small act change the world. That day, Meera decided to test the truth of her grandmother's words. She threw the pebble gently into the water. The pebble sank, and concentric ripples spread outward, touching every corner of the pond. Meera smiled, but then she saw something else. Across the pond, the ripples were stirring a family of fish who darted away in a flash of silver. Nearby, lotus leaves swayed in response, as if the whole pond was waking from sleep. Inspired, Meera thought, if one pebble can change the pond, what could I do for my village? The village, like many others, faced its struggles. The river that fed their fields had begun to dry, crops were failing, and many families worried about the coming seasons. Meera wanted to help but felt small, like a single pebble in an ocean. One evening, she gathered her friends beneath the banyan tree and shared her idea. If one pebble can create ripples, then if we all throw pebbles, the ripples will join and reach further. The children agreed to help. Some would plant trees to save the soil, others would clean the pond, and a few would talk to farmers about water-saving techniques. At first, their efforts seemed small and unnoticed, but gradually the trees took root, the pond grew cleaner, and the fields started to green again. Older villagers smiled and nodded, recalling Meera's grandmother's words. Months later, as the sun set over Shanti Tal, Meera stood by the pond once more. She picked up another pebble, feeling the coolness of it in her hand. She threw it gently, watching the ripples stretch across the water. This time she knew the ripples carried not just the movement of water, but the hope and strength of a village that had learned to believe in the power of a single step or a single pebble to change the world.